Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to effortlessly organize a homely and realistic pantry. And as you guys can see, I picked up few organizers from Walmart, which I can't wait to open up. I ordered it from walmart.com, and yeah, I have some airtight containers, I have some metal baskets, I have, I want this pantry to be as natural and as realistic as possible. So we are not gonna, this is like something even a 5-year-old can do, guys. It's so easy. Like I said, I wanted to keep it very simple. And of course, as you guys can see, I'm going ahead to like open up everything so you guys can can see, and also I can see what I ordered, because of course you guys know sometimes when you order things online, it's quite different from when like you see it in person. But when I saw them, I was like, oh yes, they look really good. And these are items from the Better Homes and Garden from Walmart, which I absolutely love. Oh my gosh, like their airtight containers was it for me. I really liked, like, that is the one I'm opening right now. I really love their airtight containers. Very like, it's so sturdy. It's it's very not too heavy, but you can feel it. You can feel the quality when you handle it. I absolutely love that. And also I picked up few rattan. Is this called rattan? I think that's what it's called, rattan baskets, also from Walmart, from the Better Homes and Garden line. And of course I went ahead and cleaned up the containers, because you don't want to use the containers like off the shelf. I cleaned it up, and then the next day I started off I'm feeding some cereal, and also spaghetti, some penny noodles, some croissants. I just go ahead and add up the things I want to add on the inside the containers. And also with these are more like things that we use on an everyday. Like I said, you guys are going to see how we would organize this particular pantry. And the cover, oh my gosh guys, I really do love the cover of these containers. Like, it has that key, like look at that, it has that handle there that you can just go ahead and clip, and it kind of airtights the container, so that way when you put anything in there, you don't worry about air or moisture going into it. And of course I went ahead and used my handy dandy Cricut to label it. As you guys can see, I labeled this one spaghetti. I'm going to label my cereal. I'm going to label my penny pasta. I'm just going to label everything. And labeling of course helps a lot, especially if you're not living in your home alone. You have a husband, you have maybe sisters, you have mothers, you have fathers, you have children. That way they're able, so that if anything finishes, they know, okay, this is for this is for that. But if you don't label things and maybe something finishes, they would end up putting the wrong thing inside the wrong container. Like, I just prefer to label my containers. It makes it so much easier to to handle and to operate, kind of. And of course you guys, I'm going ahead also to add my pancake mix, my elbow pasta, my cereal. Just add up everything inside the container. And like I said, I absolutely love these containers. I'm so thankful that I came across this. I mean, I had a set of containers I picked up from Amazon, but the quality is not, the same quality with this. So, and of course, if you guys are familiar with my kitchen, you guys know I have a smaller pantry. But of course, when we renovated our new kitchen, I decided to add another pantry, with a cabinet. So that is exactly the pantry we're organizing today. It's been empty since February, so I finally just had the time to tackle it. And yep guys, so the next thing is to go ahead and just put the containers up in the pantry. As you guys can see, that's the pantry right there. And I have my little helper. You guys, look at that. Can you guys see when Ace picked up that from the and he brought it to me? Look at that. He's helping me. We are the only ones home. His sisters are, they're in school. So me and Ace, he's helping mommy organize. How sweet. All right, guys. So next to my perishable goods, I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, you remember, yes, those metal baskets. I'm gonna go ahead. No, these are for my canned, you know, my tinned canned food. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and added my tomato paste. These are so good for spaghetti and meatballs, you know, for pasta. It's kind of pasta sauce. So I'm gonna add those in there, and then I'm gonna also add some of my perishable goods like my potato. I have the red potato, I have my sweet potato. That reminds me, guys, sometimes I even forget what I have to make some sweet potatoes today. But anyways, yeah, so I added my sweet potatoes, and then I have my white and red onions. You know, just these little metal baskets are just perfect for the perishable goods, because as you guys can see, it has a lot of space, you know, inside. As you guys can see, there are like gaps, you know, in the basket, so that way the products, you know, the food items can receive air. As you guys can see, like something like onions, it's going to be very, very difficult for it to rotten, because like that basket is full of, you know, free space. So I decided also to put everything in sections. As you guys can see, I have my potatoes at the back and then my onions at the front, the white and red onion. And also for below, you know, the onion and potato, I decided to add my canned goods. I have my barbecue sauce. I'm gonna add some salad sauce, some, you know, mayonnaise. Just, you know, I love the fact that this, like, it wasn't overwhelming. Like, guys, I don't know, sometimes, you know, when you watch pantry videos, it's like you don't even know where to start. But as you guys can see, this right here is so realistic, and it's like it gives you an idea immediately once you see it, because you know, okay, once I get this basket, I can add up like maybe my canned goods, I can add my perishable goods, I can do this and do that. You know, it makes it so much easier for you to come up with a plan. But yeah, I added those things in there, and then my next basket is going to be my tinned goods, like my my salad products, like my sweet peas, my corn, my sweet corn, and you know, all those things. Just, you know, put those in there, and then the other side should be for the tomato paste we added earlier. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, because I've been, you know, on an organizing role of late, guys. I did my spice cabinet, and now I'm doing my pantry. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. And also, please, if you're enjoying this video, kindly hit that like button below, guys. Sometimes, like I always say, I notice you guys watch my videos but you forget to like, and liking, you know, a video really helps. Like, if there's nothing you can do for me, guys, like I'm not asking for assistance, I'm not asking for money, just that like, just hit that like button. It's very important for us. Like, it helps YouTube to rank the video and things like that. Please, guys, just hit that like button below. And yeah, also don't forget that I'm going to link everything you guys can see in this video, the organizers, the baskets, you know, the containers, everything will be linked in my description box in case you guys, you know, want to check them out. But yeah, as you guys saw, I went ahead and you know added some of my juices and, you know, some snack. And over here I just added some paper towels, and also I have like my oil and syrup basket. That's definitely what I'm gonna call that basket, like my oil and syrup basket. And yeah, as you guys can see, I just went ahead and also with this basket is going on the lower cabinet. With this one, I added our noodles. You know, the kids sometimes they love ramen noodle, so I added those in there. And then what else there is it to toast tita tarts or whatever they are, pop tarts, pop tarts, that's what it's called. So I added their pop tarts in there because they are pop tart lovers. So I added those in there, and these are like our necessary you know how like you have your basics, you know, the things you use all the time in the home. This is just that pantry for it. And this is like our snack basket. I added some cheese balls, some popcorn, some plantain chips, some biscuits. You guys, that Goya biscuit is my favorite, especially when it comes to drinking tea. Tea and Goya, like cold tea, you know, tea, like I mean chocolate milk, and then the cookies. Oh, that's life, guys. But anyways, I believe that is basically it, guys. I also think I went ahead and labeled the baskets, you know, so that way, like I always say, if anything finishes, you know what is going into what, you know. Let's assume this pantry is empty now, right? And you want to restock. You labeling things actually helps you to know exactly where anything is going, in case if the, you know, if you run out of anything. As you guys can see, I say rebel. I labeled that one, my onion. I labeled some drinks. I labeled some tomato sauce. Just labeling helps. But yep, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to hit that like button below, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And till my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.
Where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm back.